Hi there. I'm Tiffany DePani, and I'm the founder of Social Savvy Seniors. I am so happy that you're here to get the tools that you need to not only connect you with your friends and families and other social groups, but knowing how to use these tools can really empower and enrich your lives. Today, I'm going to show you how to use and download the app called Zoom. The video you're watching right now will show you how to do this on your Apple device, like an iPad or an iPhone. I do have other trainings available if you're going to be using your computer or an Android or Google device. So if that's what you need, simply just go back to the main page and select the appropriate video. But if you're ready to use this on your Apple device, let's get started. So what is Zoom? You've probably heard it mentioned a lot lately. Zoom is a web-based video conferencing tool that was primarily used for businesses and virtual employees prior to the COVID-19 outbreak. But now schools, colleges, social groups, and even families are using Zoom to connect with each other while we're apart. Zoom is great for a few reasons. Once you have the app downloaded to your phone or your computer, it's very easy and simple to use. You can see your family and friends live on your screen and talk with them just like you would if they were sitting right next to you. You can have several people in your Zoom call at one time, so the whole family or your complete group can join in and everybody can be together in one place at the same time. And finally, there are so many informative presentations and even educational courses that you could be taking online right now, and many of them are using Zoom to do this. So you're just going to be one step ahead of the game if you want to pursue these webinars. First, let me explain to you how Zoom works. Somebody that has a Zoom account can create a meeting for you and your group. This person is known as the host. Everybody else is referred to as participants. When the host creates the meeting, they will send you a website link to go to, and that will open up the video chat on your device. The person who hosts the meeting must register for a Zoom account in order to do this. But if you only intend to use Zoom to connect with your family and friends who can set it up for you, or if you're just wanting to watch other educational things online, webinar series, presentations like this, then you don't need to register for an account. You'll just be asked to join as a guest every time, but you will still need the app. But if you do feel comfortable enough to go through the steps of registering through an account, I recommend you do it. It's very simple and easy to register. You don't need to pay for the account. You'll only need the free version. So if you do want to register, you'll go to www.zoom.com, and where it says sign up on the right, you're going to click there. It'll ask you for your birthday, only because Zoom needs to confirm that you're at least over the legal age to use this program. Then you'll enter your email. Zoom will then send you an email that will confirm your account. And once you do this, your registration will be completed at that point, a few more steps, and you're all set. But remember, if you don't want to register, you can still attend the meetings. You'll just put your name in before joining. You can also register an account before you go to join your first meeting, but it takes a few minutes, so it's probably better to set it up before your first call. In order to use Zoom for video calls on your Apple device, we'll first need to install the app. So we're going to go to our App Store, which is here on the left side of my screen. This is where you'll download any apps or games that you'd like to install. So in the search bar here at the top, we're going to type in Zoom. It comes up at the top as one of the first selections because it's one of the most popular. We're going to click the app that's on the top left. Be very careful of the different names of apps so you're not confused and don't load the wrong one. You see the cloud with the arrow, which means I'm going to download it. You also might see the button that says Get. Either one, you're going to click on that icon. Now, as you see, the app is starting to download. I had the cloud on my app because I had downloaded it previously. If you have never had this on your phone or your Apple device, you might just have the Get button. So now that it's done, we're going to open the app right from here. It's also added an icon to your device's screen, so you can find it there and organize it more easily. So now the app has opened, and we have three options. We can join a meeting if we have the ID. We can sign in if we've created an account, or we can sign up and create an account right from here. When you're ready to join a Zoom call from your Apple device, you'll need to select the link to the Zoom call. This will probably come to you via email or text message. For these purposes, I've kept our link in a note here. So we're going to click on that link and it will bring us into Zoom. Now it's going to ask us what kind of audio we want to use. I'm going to use the internet audio that's directly related with my device. So you're in. Now you don't see my video because my video is turned off. But if you gently touch the screen of your Apple device, you'll see the menu option come up at the top. That will disappear after a few seconds so that you can have the full screen for your video chat. However, up on the top right, if you see the start video, you see how it's red with a line through it? The same with the microphone. That means that we're turned off. So it's giving us the option to start the video or unmute ourselves. Whereas you can hear me because I'm recording this for you, but if we were on a call, you wouldn't be able to hear me. So we're going to start our video simply by clicking that icon. And here I am. Very simple, right? So from here, all you need to do is chat with your friends, your family, or even watch a webinar series. The other options that you might want to explore here on Zoom, again, just simply tap the screen and you'll see the menu come up. If you click on the participants in the top right corner, that will show you everybody who's on this call. We have Beth, John, and myself. But I can't see them right now because their cameras are turned off. But if you see on the side on the left-hand top corner where it says switch to gallery view, if I do that, now you can see all three cameras, even though they're off, but it gives you a better view of everybody at the same time. When they turn their cameras on, you'll be able to see them. And as more people join the call, the video chat screens will get a little bit smaller, but everybody will be here in one screen. Now, when you're ready to leave the meeting or everything's over, you simply gently touch your screen so you'll get that menu option, and at the top left, you'll hit End Meeting, or it may say Leave Meeting. Either one will work. So congratulations, you are officially ready to start Zooming. Now you can connect with your loved ones, explore other educational opportunities online, maybe join a social group or a book club. There's so many things that you can get involved with, and now you have a great tool to assist you. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I do hope that you'll join us for many other virtual trainings and educational seminars we've put together just for you. We're covering a variety of topics like technology, social media, fitness instructions, even some nutrition tips, and more. So thanks again for joining me today. Congrats on becoming a social savvy senior, and we'll see you soon.